Okay, so we're going to catch the metro into the center of Milan to see the Duomo next. There it is. There she blows. All right, we made it to the Duomo. I always love coming here from the metro because you come out of the metro, and it's actually not that stairway. There's another one, I think over here, where you come up and it just like, whoa, it just smacks you in the face, this dome, because it's just right there. It's awesome. Buongiorno, day 11, Florence. We are finally leaving Florence, heading to Milan, basically already gonna go catch our train. We will see you in Milan. Okay, we are in Florence train station, waiting for our gate right now. So I goofed and forgot to buy these tickets a month, weeks early in advance. We bought them last night. Our seats are all kind of split up, so I have to sit by myself. They're all in coach 6 and I'm in coach 8, seat 4. So I might do a little napping on this train. Once again, we'll see you in Milan. Milano Centrale is a very beautiful train station. It actually reminds me a little bit of 30th Street Station in Philadelphia. It's kind of an annoying American comparison, but that's all I got based off of. Yeah, it's good. It's actually only a few blocks from Hostel 2, which is nice. Milan's a nice big city where there's really good transportation systems. You can get around anywhere. Okay, we made it to our nice little Milan room for one night. With our 2 twin beds. Got the little bathroom here. It's a little hostel. And then we have this cool little view here. It's a nice little garden. This is pretty. Can't wait to go explore the city. Okay, we are walking to Berbere Centrale, a nice pizza spot here, pretty close to our hotel actually. It had good Google reviews, it looks tasty if you look at the Google images. Oh wait, so let's do it. We learned yesterday that this means I'm hungry. And like, do you want to go get food? So we will show you some pizza in just a few minutes. Chin chin. This one, I don't know what it is. I don't know how to say it. What is it? I don't know what it is.
It's like
We're
fried,
gonna eat
it's
it.
like fried dough.
All right. Actually, there's a lot of air in it. Sweet, salty, kind of meaty, smoky. Pretty good. Oh, these look good.
Yummy, yummy.
Margarita. And the diavolas. All right, so quick little review of Berbere Pizzeria. I'm gonna say like a 4.6. It was good pizza, not the best I've ever had in my life, but it was some of the best pizza we had on the trip so far. Ordering was a little bit weird, but it was fine. Beer was good, got the Hellas. I would say check it out if you're looking for some good pizza. Okay, so we're going to catch the metro into the center of Milan to see the Duomo next. There it is. There she blows. Wow. There you go, Celeste. We made it. All right, we made it to the Duomo. I always love coming here from the metro because you come out of the metro, and it's actually not that stairway. There's another one, I think over here, where you come up And it's just like, whoa, it just smacks you in the face, this dome, because it's just right there. It's awesome. I love the center square, it's awesome. Big, beautiful, dome is amazing. We've got a statue over here. Always lots of good spots to grab like a gelato all over. I was here like 2010, like almost 10, 12 years ago. Need to come back.
Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings. Unable to bend, I never listened. Trying to prove it.
All right, so we're on the south side of the Duomo right now. You want to go into this door. This is where you get tickets. There's a line right here. These people are waiting to go in line. You basically go in there. There's a gentleman that helps you, gives you a little number. Then you wait in line to talk to somebody who you buy the tickets from. There's $15 for the stairs, $20 for the lift. Takes you right up. And now, after waiting, I don't know, maybe like 10 minutes in line, 15 minutes, something like that. Now we can go enter and go up into the Duomo, go into the cathedral and up on top on the roof. This is the line right there on the south side. You're gonna see these toilets over here. We've been magically deported back to Peru really quickly. We have a Peruvian with an alpaca. It's fake, don't worry. All right, here we go. Going in now. Okay, here we are. Oh man, it's magnificent. All right, so that was the inside of the cathedral. Now, if you want to go on top by foot, you go to the north side of the cathedral and enter this entrance right here. All right. There you go. Chris, what were you gonna say?
So, structural fun fact, these things are called buttresses.
Oh yeah.
And usually with a church big like this, they would have these on the ground level so that the walls don't concave in.
Yeah.
But for this church, the designers or whatever didn't want these shown, so they hid them. And they raised them up, so you can't see them from ground level per se.
So they have like two-story buttresses instead.
Yeah.
That's pretty crazy.
Yep.
So yeah, you can't see them on the ground floor. They're all up here.
Yeah.
I think a lot of this trip is just you and the tourists walking around. A little bit too crowded, but it's definitely neat to come up here and see it all. Yeah, we're walking right over the middle of the church here. It's kind of interesting. I imagine there'll be more and more tourists up here during sunset. Closes it, I think the last ticket's at 6 o'clock. I don't really have too much to say. I'm just gonna have this as a background. We'll throw some facts on here about the Duomo. We're exiting now. We're gonna go check out the park and the arch next. Show me the mirror.
When you're like, you know, in front of in between two mirrors.
Oh yeah.
It just looks like it goes on and on and on.
On and on and then and then. Yeah, it kind of does actually. Now that you say that. All right, we are done touring the Duomo, and now we're going to Parco Sempione. I guess that's the last look at the Duomo there. Stunning. So we're gonna make a pit stop at Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II. Apparently what?
There's a bowl somewhere in here.
There's a bowl and
On the floor.
And what?
Put your heel in it and spin 3 times. Yeah, like a wish.
Oh, she just did that.
Oh, it's right over here though, look. Come here. Go! One. 3. One more for good luck.
Piazza Cordusio. Almost made it to the castle. All right, impulse buy, €3.50 Moretti. A little pricey, but to enjoy a beer. Don't always get to enjoy a beer and walk outside on beautiful nights. So let's do it. Cheers. Saluti. Chin chin. All right, well, I'll take a quick thank you and say, everybody, thanks for watching. Hope you're chilling right now, having a good day. This is October 7th here, 2022. I don't know when you're watching this. Put me a comment. Let me know what you're doing. Cheers, everybody. Thanks for watching. We have the castle behind us. Do you guys want to get a selfie? Oh, we got a freaking stand for it. Selfie stand. Okay, so there's a painting on the outside of this church here. Celeste, what's the name of the church?
Santa Maria del Grazie.
Sadly, we're too late. I think ticket office closes at 7. It's 19:07 now, so we must have just missed it. Sorry, guys. Nope. Okay, so it's basically L'Ultima Cena, which is The Last Supper by Leonardo da Vinci. This is what it looks like. It's outside. I think on the other side of these walls here, on the other side of this church. We can't go in. Wow. So this was the view that I was talking about. You walk out those steps and see the dome, and it's pretty magnificent.
Let's show you guys. This looks good. Good thing you saved your bread.
Yeah, I kind of thought it.
Carbonara again here. Hop on the wine.
Looks good.
Chris, you got the seafood risotto and the tagliatella with mushrooms. Nice. Straight. Yeah, we just finished eating dinner at El Cantinone, and the food was good. Chris had a really good experience. The wine was good. The wine was only like €20, which is nice for us because I'm used to spending like $60 minimum to get a decent bottle of wine in the US. The food was pretty good. It wasn't like the best food we've had. I would give this place probably a solid 4.2, 4.3, something like that. All right, we're going to get ice cream. Grazie mille. So we have dark chocolate, mango, tiramisu. What'd you guys get? Tiramisu?
Tiramisu, stracciatella, and the hazelnut.
All right, I want to try some. The perfect way to end the evening.
That's good.
Gelato plus Duomo. Actually, this is a perfect way to end Italy.
It is.
It is day 12. We are heading back to Switzerland, heading to Zug. Prost. Prost. You got the field, got the cows, the little cow cabin. I think we're literally inside the rain cloud right now. I don't think I've ever seen fog this thick that I've been walking through. It's amazing.
See him?
Yeah, almost, we're about to lose them.